Hello guys, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be pledging a certain amount on a pledging platform and I'm going to be earning a 2x. So right here on this platform you can actually see how much a dollar is to a naira. That is if you are watching this video right in Nigeria. So for you to get started on this platform, all you just need to do is to click down the pinned comment in this video or you check the description box. Now in this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal. So cumulatively I'm going to be earning at least, let's say, 28,000, around like that, based on how much I've pledged. So if you want to register, you just click register with your email, input your login password and a security password, or you just come here, register with your phone number, you choose your phone number and then you register. Right here on this video I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal. So let's just go right here in it. Let me just quickly register. So please make sure you are paying good attention so you don't make any mistake whatsoever. So let me just log in immediately. Guys, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe so you stay informed and don't miss out on any detail. So once I've registered on this platform, it's going to bring out this detail. Now this detail that you're seeing right here are just some vital information that you need to note. Now if you click on this open treasure chest, you can win some like around 1 USDT all for free that you can withdraw. Now you can see how this is actually look like. It's just like it's a quantitative platform where you earn USDT after you pledge some certain amount. Now if I go right here on the pledge, now what I'm going to click now, I'm going to click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon, counting from my right, counting from my left, and there is an arrow pointing at it. So once I click on quantify, you are going to see that there are different pledging amounts and you are going to earn interest. So what I choose here is the level 1, right? And I pledge around 11 USDT and it's going to give me around 2.5 USDT on a daily basis. So after you have done doing that, then what you are going to do is to tap on quantify. So you can see my account right here. I funded 11 USDT. So once I tap on start quantify, it's going to give me around 2 USDT or 1 point like that. So let's just wait for it to quantify. So you can see it gave me what, 2.3 USDT. So 2.3 USDT in naira is approximately around 4,000 naira, you understand? So I'm earning 4,000 naira on a daily basis. So let me just go to me. So after I'm done withdrawing this, I'm going to show you guys how you can also recharge on this platform. So let me just quickly go and withdraw. So if I'm withdrawing, I'm making use of USDT BEP20 network. Remember that I used a login password, right, and a security password. So if I want to withdraw here, what I'll be making do of is the security password. Please make sure you pay attention to these details so you don't make any mistake whatsoever. So I'm just going to click on 2.34. I want to withdraw everything that I have right here. Please make sure you are withdrawing on a daily basis. So let me just place my withdrawal and I'm going to show you guys once the withdrawal has arrived successfully, because most definitely it will. So once I tap on confirm, you are going to see my withdrawal is successful. You can see it right here on your screen. So now I'm going to be earning 2.34 USDT on a daily basis. So remember, look at what 2.34. So 1 USDT is around 1,614 naira, right? So let's come here and calculate it with my calculator. So 1,614, right, multiplied by 2. So I'm earning around 3,228 multiplied by 7 days. So you can see I'm earning around 22,000. And what I invested, what I pledged there was around 11. So right, so I'm getting 2x from what I started off with. So if you want to recharge, all you just need to do right here is to click on the home. And you click on, once you click on this home page, right, you are going to see recharge. So if I tap on this recharge option, you are going to have two options. So once you choose recharge, different wallet address will be given to you that support USDT. So we have USDT TRC20 network, and then we have TRX, we have BEP20, and we have BNB. For me, I prefer to use BEP20 because the network fee is actually very affordable. All I just need to do is to copy the address, and the next thing I do, I just go fund it. Now if you want to make like say you want to have a faster earning, if you go for VIP2, because at the end of this video I might also increase my my pledging amount. If I go for VIP2, which is around 80 USDT thereabouts, I'm going to be earning what, 22.500% of that, which should be amounting to around 6 to 7 or 8 USDT, you understand? So in the next 7 days I'm going to be having a good ROI of what I've invested. So let's confirm if our withdrawal has actually arrived. So you can see, let's go back to our wallet and confirm if it has arrived. Most definitely it has arrived. So let me just give you guys this. Now this is an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. All I'm just doing right here is to show you guys the different ways that you can actually earn in the cryptocurrency space. So look at it, our withdrawal have actually arrived successfully. You can see it right here displayed on my screen. You can see it, we withdrew 2.34, which is around 3 point something, which is around 3,000 plus. So cumulatively in the next 7 days, we are earning huge, we are earning a 2x of our investment. So all I would just encourage you here, if you want to ape into such platform, please make sure you are making use of funds that you can afford to let go. You understand? That's how these things work. You understand? Give or take, make sure you are withdrawing daily. After you are done, click on this start quantify every 24 hours so you claim your daily earning. Thank you guys for watching this video.